The exit polls were released after the Maharashtra and Haryana Assembly elections concluded at 6 p.m. on Monday evening. Exit polls indicate BJP's victory in both Maharashtra and Haryana. However, the D-Day on October 24th will seal the final fate, as it's a litmus test for the BJP government in both states, as these are the first elections after the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. So now let's take a look at the exit polls in the state of Maharashtra first. Fadnavis government likely to return to power, it seems, as the BJP Shiv Sena battle against the NCP Congress alliance. It's a prestige battle for the BJP and alliance and a survival battle for the opposition. In the ABP survey, 204 seats have been given to the BJP alliance, 69 seats to the Congress alliance and 15 seats to others. In the exit polls of Jan Ki Baat, 223 seats have been given to BJP alliance. Congress alliance has been given 54 seats while 11 seats to others. In the Times Now VMR exit polls, 230 seats have been given to BJP, while Congress alliance given 48 seats, while others have been given 10 seats. In the India Today Axis exit polls, BJP alliance has been given 166 to 194 seats, whereas Congress alliance has been given 72 seats to 90 seats. In the exit polls of News 18 and IPSOS, BJP alliance has been given 243 seats, Congress alliance has been given 41 and others have been given 4 seats. Now let's take a look at the state of Haryana. The exit polls largely indicate that there is a possibility of Khattar government returning to power in Haryana too. Remember, BJP claims that it will win more than 75 seats. According to the exit polls, C voters have given 72 seats to BJP in Haryana, 8 to Congress and 10 to others. The Times Now VMR exit polls has given 71 seats to BJP, 11 to Congress and 8 to other accounts. In the News 18 IPSOS exit polls, BJP has been given 75 seats, Congress has been given 10 seats and others have been given 5 seats. In the exit polls of Jan Ki Baat, BJP has got 57 seats, Congress 17 and others 16 seats. In the exit polls of News X, BJP got 77 seats, Congress 11 and others got 2 seats. In the TV9 Bharatvarsh exit polls, BJP has been given 47 seats, Congress 23 seats and others 20 seats. In the NDTV's Poll of Polls exit polls, BJP got 63 seats, Congress 16 while others got 11 seats. Overall, if we look at the exit polls, once again the BJP government is set to come to power in Haryana. However, we will get a clearer picture on October 24th.